Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add a payment method to your Zara account. If you want faster and smoother checkout when shopping on Zara, then follow through these steps. First of all, open the Zara application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, go to the human icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you do that, you'll open up this menu on the screen. Simply tap on Payment Methods. On the next page, click on Payment Cards. Now click on Add New Payment Card at the bottom, and then you can add gift cards or any other credit or debit cards on the page. Simply enter your card number and the CVV code in the text box and click on Add. Make sure that you enter your payment information correct. And once you do that, you will be able to add a payment method. Your payment method will now be stored in your Zara account. Some banks may need a verification code to confirm the new payment. So that's how you easily, successfully add a payment method to your Zara account for future checkouts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.